Alright guys, welcome back to Caveman Crawling. We're going to do a brief update on the deadbolt. We haven't really changed a ton. We have some internal shocks now. And then up underneath of here we got the 50 turn, 50 sized E-pinion high torque motor. And then we got an Emax servo up front. We got a metal steering horn, or a metal servo horn I mean. Metal tie rods, and then some 62 millimeter tires. We're gonna set it down. I don't think it's gonna change it that much. We already know it's a beast. If anything, it'll just make it more of a beast. But Brandon will run it and tell us what he thinks about it. This is probably only going to be a couple of minute video. Just a quick update. Gotta love Idaho harvest season. And then it rolls over. What are you thinking of it so far, Brandon?
So far, I'm in love with it.
I knew that.
Still got controllability with the 50 turn motor, and then you can still slow crawl it. Then, still testing out some things with the shocks. So far, I like the shocks. Just need to get used to them.
You want me to take it for a minute?
It's really kind of looking like, though, from a real world perspective, not just an on-camera perspective, that all this 50 turn motor did was make this deadbolt more of a beast. But alright guys, that does it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.